Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY oil filter wrench. We're going to use an old socket. I have a couple of cracked ones here and this one is rounded off. Either one will do fine. We're going to need a piece of strap, belt, or even a rope might do. And the only tool we're going to need is an angle grinder. I have the socket in the vise. Now I'm going to cut two diametrical slots in it, and they're going to be about as deep as my strap is, and the width needs to be enough to fit twice the width of the strap, but snugly. We don't want it to be loose. And this is how the strap fits now. And so almost all the way down. We have double the length and it also fits pretty snugly. And now we need to cut the strap to length. This will determine the maximum diameter of filter we can undo. Don't worry if you put too much, it's gonna work still. You're just gonna have a lot of extra hanging about like this. So depending on the size of the filters you most usually change, maybe you work on trucks or something like that, you might want to leave a bit more strap. But for me, this filter fits nicely. I'm gonna leave some leeway around it and I'm gonna cut the strap about here, and that's gonna do. And simple as that, the oil wrench is complete. Now let me show you how to use it. So if the oil filter is sitting like this, I would install the strap like so, the socket facing to the bottom, and I would start unscrewing. Eventually it would undo. If I have easier access from the top, I can install it like this, use any extension I need, and undo it from here like so. Be careful with the turning directions, because if you're facing from the bottom, you need to be tightening. And also I try to avoid getting oil on the strap, but even if you do, a little bit of brake cleaner gets it right off. For this one we squished it a tiny bit, nothing too bad. I wanted to undo it from the top just to show you how versatile the tool is. Otherwise from the bottom it would have been much easier. It's that simple and that easy. By the way, this works very well on plastic filter caps as well. I think it's even better than the metal wrenches because it doesn't even scratch the plastic. I've done dozens, never had any problems whatsoever. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, drop a like, ask me something in the comments, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.